All right, we've lost a lot of time because of an error, of course, so let's correct the error and let's look why the error is there. So what I should have done is put this file one level up. So copy, and it should be here. It should not be in the unpack folder fs, and that's what's happening. We get this error and it says, hey, there is this error. Well, we could actually redo it, but the fact is, you see it in the video, the error, and the error is coming from the part where Calamares doesn't find anything etc. If it doesn't find anything, it's going to here, user share Calamares, and that's how I figured it out. It's going to this one, and this one is going to say changes, and that is our message. It says changes not found or something like that. You see the video. It's going to this file, and that triggered me in thinking, hey, why is it going here? It should go to etc Calamares, but it should not be inside a folder. An hour lost to figure out why that was. In the meantime, I've read every code. That's good. So we go back up. We go to carli-calamares-config, etc calamares modules. I could have known this as well if you go to Eric, Control H. I must have a calamares in here. So this is the version we're working with, and the modules source. The modules are here. Now it is a little bit, indeed, it is a little bit strange. Thinking, you might think it should be in a folder. That's tricky. Okay. I have to remember that for future users. So it's supposed not to be in a folder. It's just to be like that in modules. No folder, that's whatsoever. So all the .configs are under modules. Remember that. Like I do now as well. Let's put you online, my friend. Unpack one level up. All right, let me give you my password. All right, now that's done. Let's build it again and immediately try it out in the ISO we've built, version 6. Ah yeah, there was a tip from Peter. Thanks, Peter. We forgot to change this etc guy here, and this etc guy can be changed, right? So with this variable, you're defining actually that one. So next time we have a template that's really up to specs, and we only need to change some places, copy paste these lines, add a number, change some names up here, and we have a template for the future. Okay, so make a package. And then we have here the package. Let's have a quick look. etc calamares, the branding is here, the modules here. Yes, no folder. That's the solution. Okay, so that's gonna be in here. Cut everything to one level up to the side. Well, 2 levels up to the side. Control V, and updating this thing. Now it seems to be slow. Maybe it's the weather. It's kind of stormy in Belgium. But it should find number 6, right? 6 is the last one. Okay. Let's see if he finds it. And it's even slow with the coloring here. There you are. And then Control C. Where are we? Update, not the word, sudo set first keyboard, then go for sudo pacman -syyuu, then wait. Super slow today. Very strange. Okay, now he's faster. So 20.3.6. Yes. Okay, so be exec calamares straight away in debugging, and let's have a look. You're out. This is our look. whatever. We're just testing this thing. I'm not gonna type in it. Just wanna know if it's gonna use the... Alright, that's it. Ah, difficult password. Oh, damn. Okay. And this was the error in here. Oh, baby. So we're building our system on the SSD, on the hard disk, on whatever. And this is maybe also interesting for you guys to see. We've asked the guys of Calamares to give a better slider, to give it more a feel that it's gradually going up, because in our case it really gets stuck. But I must say it's going gradually up now. Maybe they fixed something. Anyway, it stays long at some sort of percentage, but it really isn't. It's in the backend we can see it's really going to, well, to do some things, right? It's really working, even though that the percentage is quite slow. But suddenly it will jump to 50, and it would be nice we got it more gradually, but it's not an important thing, I get that. There are more things, and more important things in Calamares to fix than this one. So just know and advise your users that that's the case, that it's not showing up the actual percentage, because here we see already 29% here in the backhand, and here we have 25. See? Plus 20, 32, plus 11%, etc. I don't know what all this means, but the percentages in the terminal are different than the percentages here. And if they would follow this percentage number, that would be ideal. 39, 38, 39. It's quite fast that this is counting up. It should display then, of course, also 40 here. We still need to make some slides here, some nice images, but oh yeah, still so many things to do. It's not done overnight, right? And it's also too fast, the slides. Super fast. So maybe we can fill in the time to show you that he's going to go to the temp. He has a Calamares root here. This is your future system. He's working on this one. So again, where was it? It was in the temp folder. There is one folder where you actually can go into, and that's this one, and that's the one he's writing stuff into, and so on. Okay, so we have a make init CPU at the very end somewhere there. We need to set something, but hey, we're getting closer and closer every time. So remember the module make init CPU somewhere there. We need to fix something. Basically, I'm quite happy. That was the mistake we've made, just putting Calamares let's go there to change our configuration of Calamares to be one level up. So all the config files are under modules. That's the main thing we did wrong. All right, we need to go to the other module. What's next, right? So that's another video.